What's up, guys? I thought I would make a quick update video on what's been happening. Most of you guys that follow the channel know I haven't been around much lately. I thought I would come on here and explain what's been going on, what I've been up to, and where I'm at with all this. I had to take a step back. There was some stuff going on. I couldn't get material for the house. In my area, getting material was next to impossible. With all this shutdown, I guess it's just had everything messed up, and just couldn't get anything. Contractors were kind of getting first dibs on all of it. You know, the big stores, suppliers, they had to protect the people that spend the most amount of money, so us little guys kind of got pushed to the side. But I finally got some material where I can start working on the decking for the second story or the upper floor. So I got that in. I got started on it. I was sick for a while, about 10 days. So that had me shut down. And I just needed to, I needed to step back a little bit. Move away from social media for a little while. Concentrate on myself and my health and, you know, other things that are going on. I don't know. I needed to back up a little bit. But I've already started getting back to work. I've started decking upstairs a little bit. I thought there was a bear out there. Turn the light on and I'll show you what I've gotten done. So I don't have the stairs in yet. Oh, I'm still using a ladder. Oh, but here we are. It's not all done, but I'm getting there. It's kind of slow going. These sheets are heavy, about 90 pounds a piece, and it's a 10-foot throw to get them up here, but you'll see all that on the video. But that's what I've been doing. I've started knocking this out, getting a few other things done. So you can see I have gotten a little bit done. I will continue to work on it. I'll be picking up the pace before too long. I just had to do some other things. I had to take a break. This place has been my main focus. It's been my main focus for a long time. Up until a little under 2 years ago, the shortest work day I had was 12 hours a day. For about 20 years, it was a 60-hour work week was a light week, and then the last 10, average work week was around 95 plus hours. And as soon as I get days off, you know, I lived 400 miles from here. I would blast off after work, come up here, work like a dog trying to get things done, and then take off and go right straight back down there and be at work the next morning. So there hasn't been any downtime. And it's just, sometimes you have to take a break. You get so busy building a life that you forget to live it, you know? And I think this last year or so, I finally realized that. So I decided to live life a little bit before I get to the point where I can't do it. So I've traveled a little bit this summer, gone and done some things, had some fun, about to do some more. There's going to be some changes around here to the place, to the homestead, and on the channel too. And all that'll be coming up here in a couple of weeks probably. I'll put all that out there. But that's it. I just wanted a little short update. Let everybody know I'm still alive. I'm still working on this place a little bit. I have been gone a lot. I've been sick a little. But I'm still here. I'm still kicking. And I backed away from pretty much all social media. If you guys that follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you noticed I haven't been putting much on any of that stuff. So I've just backed away from all of it. But I'm about to get back to work. Shortly I will start putting out videos back on the regular schedule again. They'll be coming out consistently, and not hit or miss like it's been for the last 6 weeks or so, because I am way behind. And I do apologize for leaving you guys hanging to see what's going on. Everybody's, I've been getting a lot of messages and people worried about what's going on. So I'm still here. Just been preoccupied with other things and getting to have a little fun. So that's it. You guys have a awesome day, and I'll get busy back on this thing. See if I can't get something done.